The second Shrapik tour of 2025 is Sour Iontach, and lucky for you, it is one I studied last year for my Leaving Cert. Now I've got to be honest, it was not one of my favourites, but let's get into it. In the first picture you can see two people, they are obviously friends. They are next to a church, and the sun is shining. Make sure you reference the weather, you reference where they are, and reference what they're saying. And it is also easier to give them names, maybe starting with N, because that letter doesn't change, it just Nora. So you could just say like Lá Iontach ann, tá siad in aice leis an chapel. As always, say Cicade Victor or Star Victor, Epictor Do, say things like that. Always change it up though. Now the problem with this Shrapik tour and why I didn't like it is because there's not really much going on, in the sense that you either know how to say it or you don't. So for the second part, they're in an ifig, they're with a manager, they're enrolling for a job. I wouldn't spend